Welcome to my channel, Southern Apothecary. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up so you don't miss any of our great content. Today's video is how to harvest herbs from the garden. Drying our own herbs is remarkably simple and doesn't require expensive special equipment. Just some rubber bands and a piece of screen or a drying basket. If you are ready to harvest your own herbs, here are a few pointers on drying and storing your own bounty. You don't need extensive knowledge to get started. General knowledge, for example, is to be sure to handle fresh plant material gently so as not to bruise it. How to harvest leaves and flowers. To harvest the above ground parts of the herbs, you'll need a basic pair of kitchen or garden scissors. For delicate botanicals like mint, dandelion, leaves, sage, cleavers, etc. Or thicker stems, you may want to bring along a good pair of pruners. Generally, you want to harvest in the spring or early summer, and choose strong stems with healthy, intact leaves. If using more than flowers, cut close to the base of the stems, leaving some foliage so you can potentially get another harvest or even two. Harvest leaves and flowers in the morning after the dew has evaporated. Thank you for watching. We wish you good health.